20 miles, 5,000 low. South Fairfax, just over the ridge.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Today, we embark on a journey behind the scenes of the aviation world, exploring the unsung hero that elevates us to the skies, Aluminium. Join me as we unravel the incredible role this lightweight metal plays in the wings that carry us to the new heights. Ready or not, let's go!
In the annals of aviation history, few materials have had as profound an impact as aluminium. Its lightweight yet sturdy properties have made it a cornerstone in the development of aircraft. Let's take a journey through time to understand the evolution of aluminum's role in aircraft construction. At the turn of the 20th century, aviation was in its infancy. The Wright brothers and other aviation pioneers were experimenting with various materials to construct flying machines. As the world plunged into war, the demand for efficient aircraft soared. Aluminum's potential was recognized, and manufacturers sought ways to integrate it into their designs. With the advent of better aluminum production methods, aircraft manufacturers witnessed a paradigm shift. Aluminum became the go-to material for building aircraft due to its strength-to-weight ratio. In the post-war era, the aerospace industry witnessed a boom in technological advancement. In the late 20th century, a groundbreaking innovation took place, the creation of aluminum lithium alloys. These alloys offer exceptional strength and reduced weight, a game changer for modern aircraft.
Today, aluminum remains a vital material in aircraft manufacturing, continuously evolving to meet the demands of a rapidly advancing aerospace industry. Most popular aluminum alloy used in aerospace part, you can see the first one, aluminum alloy 7075 that contain aluminum and zinc. The second one, which is aluminum alloy 747502 that contain aluminum, zinc, magnesium, silicon and chromium. And last but not least, aluminum alloy 6061 that contain aluminum, manganese and zinc. The story of aluminum in aircraft is a testament to human ingenuity. From its humble beginnings to becoming a fundamental element in aviation, aluminum has propelled the skies into a new era of safe, efficient, and technologically advanced air travel.
Everyone, now is the time for me, Captain Ryan, to explain the advantages when aluminium is used in aircraft. Firstly, aluminium's standout advantages in aircraft construction is lightweight because of its low density. This directly enhances fluid efficiency and aircraft performance. Secondly, aluminium natural oxide layer shield it from corrosion due to the challenging environment with variety of weather and moisture. Unlike some metals prone to rust and degradation, aluminium stay durable. Lastly, aluminium have characteristic of formability that allow for complex aerodynamic designs, which reducing dragging, improving fluid efficiency, and optimizing aircraft aerodynamics.
One of the primary is costly maintenance. Increased maintenance costs, aluminum parts often require more frequent maintenance than their steel counterpart because of their propensity for corrosion and wear and tear over time. Is its tendency to thermal expansion issue when exposed to extreme hot or cold for a long period of time. This type of expansion can cause structural damage if left unchecked. The last one is limited strength. Aluminum is not as strong as material like steel or titanium. This limitation can be a concern in certain aircraft applications, especially in areas that require high strength and resistance to heavy loads or impacts.
As we prepare to conclude our exploration into the wings of our modern marvels, remember that every journey, every ascent is made possible by the incredible strength and versatility of aluminium. From the cockpit to the tips of our wings, it's a silent partner in our skies. Buckle up for future adventures, and until then, this is your captain signing off. Safe travels!